Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. In this new video, I will be showing you how to use circle command predominantly to draw a quadrilateral. In this case, we have a quadrilateral of base 80 and the side 100. The distance from A to C is 140, and this angle is 90 and the side is 50. So for this we will be applying a principle which says that any triangle, any semicircle that is formed, any triangle that is formed within a semicircle, the angle is always 90 degrees. So that will be the principle that we'll be using to draw this. Yeah, so if you notice here, A to C is 140 and we're given a side. We're also given an angle here, which is very important. To get started, the first thing to do is, as I said, I will be using mainly circle. I could use a regular line, but I choose to use 2p circle. Circle, enter, 2p. Again, I could use a simple line, but I choose to use circle. That is done. Now I need to change my construction layer. Yeah. So here now is my base. My base is from here to here to there. Here to there is my base. But I will not be drawing that as yet. Now side AC, side AC. So what you're doing, you're focusing on a triangle here. This triangular section. AC from B to C is 100 and from A to C is 140. So we're basically drawing a triangle when giving the length of all three sides. That's the principle that we're applying here. So our next step is to draw a circle of radius 100. C for a circle, enter. Left click here and type 100, enter. And it is important to know that in order to be able to snap onto the right, left, top, and bottom of this, we must ensure that quadrant is turned on. To ensure and or to turn the turn on quadrant, type O snap. So type OSNAP, O snap, enter. And this is quadrant. This allows us to draw or to snap onto all four corners of a circle. Find it very useful. With that being said, our next step is to draw another circle from point A, which has a radius of 140. Space bar for circle. Oh, sorry. C for circle, enter. Left click here, then type 140 for radius, enter. Remember also, guys, it is extremely important that you read the command bar before, during, and after every step. It's of great importance. So now we have drawn this, and at the point where both circles meet is our point C. What I'll be doing, I will be drawing my outline as I go, just to help you to figure this out. So from here to here is the base. Here is another point. So we have two sides there. Let me go back to my construction layer. So this side, that side has been established. Now to get point D, there are two known factors. we know that from C to D is 50, and we also know that the angle that is formed between A, C, and D, A, D, and C is 90 degrees. And we also know that any triangle that is formed within a semicircle, the angle is always 90 degrees, right? So our next step is to draw a line from here, or we could draw a circle with 2p. We could use 2p to draw a circle. Yeah, we could use 2p to draw a circle. Yeah, so circle C, enter, 2 point, 2p, left click here, left click there, right? And our next step, so this circle will now become the dominant figure. I will be trimming off this so as not to confuse it. TR, enter, enter, click that, click that. Yeah. Oh, I did something wrong. So this is the circle that I want. This is our dominant circle. So I could probably delete this now. Delete it? No. Alright. Now, this is our dominant circle. Now we want to establish point D here. Point D. And point D, to get point D, we're going to draw a circle from C with a radius of 50. So we circle, click here, radius 50, 50, enter. Now, at the point where this meets that, right here, is our point D. So I'm going back to, well, I could draw this with regular line, and then do that. Now, guys, if you're drawing this and these circles are confusing you, what you could do is delete as you go. Once you find your point, you can trim some of them, right? So now that I've established that, I can now use match property, MA, enter, touch this, touch that, touch that. My figure is now done. Now, I want to ensure that everything is correct. So in this case, I will be dimensioning the figure. So I'm using this. I click once, twice. That is 88. Space bar 2 times or enter key twice. Bam, bam. Left click on the line. Drag out. Click. No, we don't need this. Space bar 2 times. Left click. Out. Space bar 2 times. Left click. Out. And we do not need that. They did not give us that. The next step is to check our angle. We need to ensure that our angle or angle is 90. And there we go. That's it. That's it. That being done, similar to this. The next step would be to add our labels A, B, C, and D. So remember, guys, you don't need to be good to practice, but you must practice to be good. And if you want to learn AutoCAD good, fast, and the best way possible, or in an efficient way, you might want to watch these videos. I think these are really, really good videos, alright? Again, like, subscribe, share.